Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching you a different question and answer in this question and answer series by Class Theta. So our today's question which we'll be discussing is when creating budgets in QuickBooks Online, which two are possible. So we have some option here. Option A, budget can be imported from Excel or CSV. Budget can be prepared to assist with the forecast of capital expenditure. Budget can be prepared on monthly, quarterly or annual basis. Budget can be subdivided by class, vendor or customer, and multiple budgets can be created which can be copied or edited at any time. So the answer of the question is, in QuickBooks Online the following two options are possible when creating budget. Budget can be imported from Excel or CSV. Multiple budget can be created which can be copied and edited at any time. These features provide flexibility and ease in creating and managing budgets within QuickBooks Online. So that's the answer. If you still have any other question, then leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye bye.